Number one, we are a family business.
Phoenix Performance. They're operated by father and son, Joe and Andrew Aquilante. They're something else. You walk through their paddock, you see nothing but American muscle.
There's my son, Andrew. There's my nephew-in-law, Kurt, who is now married to my niece, Amy. There's my brother, Tom. And then there's Amy, and there's Beth, his two daughters. So what we do differently is we have raised our own drivers. I all consider them as family.
Everyone there is working, wrenching, racing. And typically when they compete, the people who they compete against have bigger budgets.
They have a bit bigger bank accounts. We're loading the trailers, we're working on the cars, and then we're putting a helmet on and trying to beat everybody else.
Andrew Aquilante is often the quickest guy in his class.
The pole sitter, again, with a record-setting 19th pole, 6 in a row. That is Andrew Aquilante.
Andrew and I have been racing in both T1 and GT2 for many, many years. When I beat him, I know I had a very good day. We've swapped off many national championships, but Andrew is absolutely my biggest rival.
On the pole, again, your 12-time gold medalist, the 33 of Andrew Aquilante, at 20th pole position for the driver out of Chester Springs, Pennsylvania, in the Phoenix Performance Hoosier Hawk and Mobile Chevrolet Corvette.
Andrew has become a real student of the business and has really upped our level of sophistication with building cars. Every year we try to do something different. Last year we won all 4 of the touring classes.
Score green! Run to the gold in GT2 underway. Aquilante and Bender side by side in a big lunge.
So the rivalry is intense, and you can find competition at any level of SCCA club racing. The guys and girls are really aggressive.
He is paying now. He dives down the inside. Aquilante turns in.
Off the track, we all are civil, except when you get on track. When you get on track, go for it. Let's win, because that's what we're here for.
You just feel an energy in that group. They're pit bulls, and they're chasing to get that bone.
Cutthroat and surgical. Once the green flag drops, if you're in between me and first place, I don't want you there.
Subscribe to Amateur Racer and join us for more on track content.